What's the meaning of beer? Beer. Beer.
Beer. Beer. Beer is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented grains, usually malted barley, water, hops, and yeast. It has been enjoyed by humans for thousands of years and is a staple in many cultures around the world. Beer is typically categorized into two main types, Ales and lagers, which differ in their fermentation process and resulting flavor profile. It has a range of flavors and styles, from light and crisp to dark and rich, and can be enjoyed on its own or paired with food. In recent years, craft beer has become increasingly popular, with a focus on unique flavors and small batch production.